Hi, my name is Dayvin from Foundation in Science, and today we are going to create a simple DIY lava lamp. It's a fun hand-on science experiment that shows you a cool reaction between oil and water. This experiment is safe, easy, and fascinating to watch. Let's get started. To make our lava lamp, here's what we'll need: a clear glass, water, vegetable oil, and food coloring. Let's jump into the experiment. First, fill your glass about a quarter of the way with water. Next, pour vegetable oil into the glass, leaving some space at the top. You'll see the oil floats on top of the water because oil is less dense than water. Now add a few drops of food coloring. Watch as the food coloring sinks through the oil and mixes with the water. Here's what's happening. Water and oil don't mix because they have different densities and molecular structures. Water is denser than oil, so it stays at the bottom. The oil stays on top and won't combine with the water due to their molecular difference. Then we move the bottle, the water flows in blobs through the oil, mimicking the look of a lava lamp. In our lava lamp, we observe that the water and oil remain separate, and the color water forms bubbles and flows slowly when the bottle is tilted. This simple interaction between oil and water creates a calming lava lamp effect without needing any special chemicals. I hope you enjoy this fun and easy experiment. Thank you.